Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I will show you how to find PS5 serial number and model number. Before that, if you find this video useful, like it and subscribe to the channel. You require these numbers if you want to register your console or request a repair. One of the easiest place to find is on the original PS5 box. Look for the white sticker on the bottom or the side of the box, usually near the main UPC barcode. On this sticker, you will see two important numbers. Model number, it starts with CFI and tell you which version of the PS5 you have. Serial number, this is a unique identifier for your specific console. If you no longer have the box, don't worry, you can still find both numbers on the console itself. If your PS5 has a stand, remove it first, then check the bottom of the console. You will find both the model number and the serial number printed there, like this. As simple as that. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.